Hi friends, we commonly know about subcutaneous fat, which is right under the skin. Some people look bubbly, round and cute because of this subcutaneous fat. This is visible outside, but it is not always harmful. However, the visceral fat is very different. It is stored in the abdomen cavity and between the organs like liver, pancreas and intestines. If you see a lot of fat gain around the belly and waistline, it is visceral fat. Visceral fat puts a lot of pressure on these organs. It releases fat directly into the liver, causing fatty liver. It increases insulin resistance, causing diabetes, causes heart diseases, high blood pressure and certain cancers. Even some people look slim, but they have fat in the belly, which is visceral fat. That is why it is called hidden fat. Visceral fat is the most dangerous fat. You should reduce or cut it down at any cost. The main reason for visceral fat is the modern style of eating. Sweets, desserts and sugary food, which used to be weekly or monthly treats, became very common and daily food, and people don't even question it. Eating simple carbs like pasta, bread, refined rice and having cool drinks or sodas with high sugar is a big reason for the visceral fat. With all these worst food habits, people are not even exercising. Moreover, we have more stressful life than any generation. These cumulative effects causes dangerous visceral fat and several health problems. In this video, I will introduce you to one best master formula health drink that is going to reduce visceral fat, clear the fat from abdomen cavity, reduce your belly size and waist length and keep you fit. This is totally a herbal drink. For this you need dry ginger powder. It boosts metabolism, increases calorie burning, leading to fat loss quickly. Cinnamon powder. It regulates blood sugar levels, breaks down hard fat cells and reduces your cravings. Turmeric powder. Turmeric is highly adulterated these days, so use only organic turmeric. Curcumin in turmeric lowers inflammation and inhibits fat cell growth around organs. You can see its effect in 1 month of consistent use. Black pepper powder. This inhibits formation of new fat cells and also helps in better absorption of turmeric. This combo makes this formula a super effective fat destroyer. Fenugreek seed powder. High concentration of soluble fiber in fenugreek causes slow absorption of glucose and reduce appetite. This master ingredient stops new fat and burns existing fat. Lemon or lime juice. Lemon or lime juice directly does not reduce visceral fat, but combining in this formula makes this whole mixture a very effective and tasty. Let us see how to do this. Take a saucepan, add 1.5 cups of water, bring it to boil. Once the water boils, turn the heat to low. Now add each powder one by one. Half teaspoon of ginger powder, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper powder. Don't add more pepper as it can cause acidic issues, so start with a pinch. Finally, add half teaspoon of fenugreek seed powder. Let it simmer like that for 5 minutes on low heat. After that, turn off the heat. Use a fine cheesecloth or a tea strainer, filter out all the powders. What you got is a clear hot decoction. To this, add a few drops of lemon juice. That's all, a powerful master blaster for visceral fat is ready. Drink this early morning on empty stomach for best results. If you cannot do on empty stomach, you can also try this in the evening a few hours before dinner. Just do this within 3 to 4 weeks. You will notice that your belly size reducing and the waist fat between the organs is slowly going away. Along with this, you must walk, do exercise, reduce or cut down junk and sugary foods. Get good sleep. Just these simple habits can help you lose the 10 years of accumulated fat. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.